Hello friends, welcome to Teach with EdIndia. Today we will learn how to teach angles. The concept of angles is learned by students in the middle grades. For teaching angles, start by building on the idea of point, lines and rays by checking their previous knowledge on the same. Before defining what angles are, students can be asked to look at the corners of the room, doors when they are open and closed, the edges of the windows and the edges of the blackboard. These are angles. Angles are formed by two rays that share a common starting point vertex. After defining angles, students can be introduced to right angle, straight angle and complete angle, as those can be easily recognized even without the actual measure. Right angle is an angle that looks like this. Straight angle is an angle that looks like a straight line. Complete angle is an angle that completes a circle. Now, introduce students with the term degree. An angle is measured in degree using a protractor by the amount of rotation from one ray to the other. Further, other types of angles could be introduced to students using pizza in a playway story by taking each slice of a pizza for acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, etc. Students can also be taught angles by an activity where students are told to make an acute angle with the arms or feet, and the students stretch both the arms or feet to form a V shape for an acute angle. Angle cards can be presented and students can be asked them to sort them into categories. Class can be concluded by sharing a few real-life applications of angles. For example, reading the clock accurately, showing the design of a sloped roof, etc. Angles can also be shown in games like football, cricket, etc. We will come up with more such videos. See you in the next video.